The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion is the latest addition to Motorola's Edge series, set to launch in India on April 2, 2025. This smartphone features a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a 1.5K resolution, offering a 144 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 4,500 nits. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i and holds IP69 certification for dust and water resistance. Under the hood, the Edge 60 Fusion is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, complemented by up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens, while the front houses a 32MP selfie camera capable of 4K video recording. Backing these features is a 5,500 mAh battery with 68W fast charging support. The device will ship with Android 15-based Hello UI, with promises of 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. Pricing is anticipated to start around 25,000 Indian rupees, making it a compelling option in the mid-range segment.